How to winterize an above-ground pool. Step 1. Remove the pool ladder and all accessories from your pool. Step 2. Vacuum your pool and remove all dirt and debris. Step 3. Test and balance your chemical levels. Step 4. Purchase a winterizing kit. Step 5. Apply winterizing chemicals to your pool. Step 6. Install a skimmer door cover. And plug the return jets. Step 7. Turn your multi-port valve to the winter setting. Step 8. Remove all drain caps from equipment. Step 9. Remove all suction and return plumbing connections. Step 10. Store pool pump inside for further protection from the elements. Step 11. Purchase a winter cover for your pool. Step 12. Open your winter cover and prepare it for placement over the pool. Step 13. Pull the winter cover over the pool and ensure it is evenly positioned. Step 14. Install the pool cover cable by weaving it in and out of the metal grommets. Step 15. Tighten the cover cable using the provided cable winch. Step 16. Secure your winter cover to the ground to prevent removal or damage from high winds. You have successfully winterized your above-ground pool. Don't forget to visit us over at inyopools.com for all your swimming pool and spa needs.